Hi Pre-K. Today we're going to learn to do a science experiment of dancing worms. And the supplies that you need for this experiment are you need gummy worms, you need baking soda, white vinegar, some scissors, a spoon, a measuring spoon of 1 tablespoon, 2 cups, and 1 cup of warm water, and some scissors. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your gummy worms and you're going to cut them in fourths. And you may need an adult to help you do this. But the easiest thing is to cut them in half. And sometimes it's kind of hard to do because they're kind of sticky. But just keep cutting. And then I'm going to cut them again. And you're just going to make them into little bitty strips, as you can tell that I've already done. And then you're going to take your 1 cup. You're going to add your 1 cup of warm water. And then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. There's our third one. Now you're going to add a couple gummy worms. I'm just going to put about 3 in there. You don't need very many. Now here's the hard part. You have to let your gummy worms set into the water and baking soda for about 15-20 minutes, okay? Now I have already let these gummy worms set for about 20 minutes. So now I'm going to take my other cup and I'm going to pour some vinegar in there. Doesn't matter how much. Just going to put a little in there. And then I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to get the gummy worms out and drop them into the vinegar. And as you can see, it's kind of bubbling in here. And it's supposed to take just a few minutes for them to bubble up. And then they should start dancing. You can see the one, it's already trying to move its head, the top part of it up right there. But you do have to let them set for a few minutes. And if for some reason, if they're not moving just yet, you can add just a little bit of baking soda into your vinegar and it will help them start to move. As you can see, it's really starting to bubble. Give them a few minutes. And then they will actually start to float. You can tell this one's already kind of trying to start to float and dance around. So you can see that one's trying to come up. And the longer you let them set, the more they'll come up to the top and float. Anyways, I hope you've enjoyed Pre-K. Bye.